How do we solve the bipolar issue? In the eyes of the Qi Men Dun Jia, this bipolar term itself is already imprinted in the Qi Men destiny chart. And the fact is that in our area, we do not call it a bipolar. We call it a Fan Yin chart. A Fan Yin chart means that this person's personality is able to be changed to another personality very easily. And there's another group whereby it's quite similar. We call it the character emptiness. That means in certain time, certain month, certain year, the person will behave in a certain way, and then after that, they will switch to another set of characters that usually people don't understand. So this is what we call a changing of character. Whether is it emptiness or whether is it Fan Yin chart, it doesn't matter, but end of the day is this, very important. This is not a psychological problem. Anybody that tells you that this is bipolar, you have to take medicine, you have to go and see the doctor, a psychiatrist, and take medicine, please do not do so. Why is that so? Because the more medicine you see and eat, and the doctor you consult, health-wise, you have more issues because the medicine itself will have side effect. So in order to solve this bipolar issue, there are few things you can do. First thing is, you have to know the Qi Men chart. In terms of looking at your own character, you know what kind of character is going to be flipping to, and then sometimes we are able to predict when is it going to happen. Knowing it, part one. Second part is acknowledge it. That means you have to acknowledge that you have this particular energy of switching from one character to another character, and you embrace it. Okay, that's part two. Part three, you have to look at what are the character that is going to be beneficial for you. Because there will be two different set of character that you'll behave. One is good, one is no good. Usually it's going to be like this. And then from there, you'll notice there's a certain character trails that you're going to focus on is going to create positive impact in your life, in your relationship, in your business, and in your career, even to your health. Then you make an effort to purposely behave in such a way that you will be more positive towards the anger. And if you notice that you are moving towards a negative character, you intentionally move out of that zone and go back into that positive zone. So this is what we call the shifting of character from one zone to another zone. So this is very difficult, but can be done. Why I say can be done is because, for example, if you are a customer service, you are supposed to serve customer, but if you see a customer that you don't like and you still have to serve the customer, don't you have to behave very friendly? Yes, this is what we call intentionally. Other people may call it fake, but fake it until you make it. And because of the intention of creating this positive energy towards other parties, you are able to embrace this energy and create a more positive result. You see, because of such kind of bipolar thing or changing of the flipping of the energy, a lot of people, their life become very chaotic. I see many cases of such, whereby their relationship goes bust, business goes bust, career bust also. They change job very frequently. They change boyfriend and girlfriend very frequently. Business goes bust also. They cannot entertain the customer because the energy within themselves is controlling them. So which means that three-step approach, knowing it, acknowledging it, and changing. Then from there, you'll be able to become better. So don't care about looking at the psychiatrist or psychologist. Don't even take medicine. Once you understand the process of this chart itself, you'll be able to solve the problem. It takes a while, but with determination and consistency, you'll be able to control your energy of such in terms of bipolar. Okay, so if you do have some of this problem, I will encourage you to approach me. I'm not a doctor, but I know what is happening because I've seen so many of such kind of people around, and I can tell you and explain to you why is it like that and when is it going to happen to you. This is something out of the normal, but what we call this is Qi Men Dun Jia. We are able to see what is happening. We are able to craft out and explain to you in very scientific terms to tell you what is really going on behind the scene. Okay, if you do have friends who are bipolar or relatives who are bipolar, maybe you can share this video to them. Perhaps this sharing itself can save them one day. Thank you very much for watching this video.